role in which you do product strategy, product road mapping, product vision, stakeholder management, etc., and building and launching a product, number one. But there are more specialized role as well. Those of you who come from coding background, the right role for you is this role, technical product manager, which is also called TPM, in which you will be the interface between a PM and an EM, engineering manager. You will be the person filling the technical gap between a product manager and an engineering manager. This role is called TPM. The third role is product marketing manager, which is also called PMM, which means that once you have launched a product, right, a product marketing manager is responsible for the branding, for everything that has to do with product marketing. And this is where your UX, UI people, sales people, some of those people actually fit into. Product marketing manager is a very important role that is required in product companies. This is the role for people coming from those kind of background. And the next role is a role which is very new in India, but I believe that this role is going to be huge in the times to come, which is growth product manager. Growth product manager is essentially focusing on one thing. Right now, it's a very established role in the Silicon Valley, but in India, it's very, very new, very new. You will see very few positions for this, but trust me, if you focus on this, this role is going to become huge in India as the apps keep on exploding and as product companies keep on growing, which is a GPM, in which you focus on how do you grow your app from, let's say, 1 million to 10 million users. Is everyone with me on this? And this is the problem for most companies, that they want to focus on how do we grow our app usage? How do we grow retention? How do we acquire more users? How do we retain more users? How do we control churn? This is what a growth product manager focuses on. This is a pure growth role, and it is a subset of a product management role. And the last one is those of you who come from an analytics background. You might be working on data warehousing, you might be working on ERP, you might be working on some kind of tool like Hadoop, or you might be working on some kind of analytics. The right role for you is a data product manager role or an analytics product manager role. Out of these 5 roles, which one role do you think is the right fit for you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me know that in the chat window. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And even if it is 2, some of you would be like, I want to get into product management role, but data analytics product manager also, I really like that. So you can also write 1 or 5. This is all these are, everyone, I hope you understand, these are specialized versions, right, of a product manager role, wherein day in and day out you are doing this, right? And I would love to know how many of you want to get into a TPM kind of role, right? TPM, again, a very, very well-paid role and an exciting role, right? For those of you who come from coding background. How many of you come from a marketing or a sales background or UI UX kind of background would want to do this product marketing manager kind of role? Very, very interesting role. And how many of you would want to do this? Take some time, take 10 seconds and type in the chat window which one is the right role for you. Now that you have written which is the right role for you, I want you to complete this sentence. 1, because whatever is your reason, right? So if you've chosen, for example, 3, because so and so, I want you to type in that reason in the chat window so that you have clarity why you have selected so and so. For example, because I am working in marketing, or I am working in so and so. 5, because I am doing so and so. That will give you another level of clarity that this is what I want to do because I already know this. I would love to see here. Yeah. 5, because I'm working in PMO planning role. Fantastic. 3, because I love marketing and background. Fantastic. 3, because I'm in from pre-sales background. Fantastic. 1, because I'm handling complex projects. 2, because I'm working in solution architect role. Fantastic. 2, because I'm from tech background. 3, because I'm working in sales background. 2, because I'm coder. 4, because I'm part of revenue enablement. Right? Fantastic. 3, because I'm working in FMCG, and very good. 5, because of testing. How is testing related to 5? I would love to see that, Anand, what sense does that make? Why do you think from testing, 5 is the right role? 4, because I'm currently managing growth projects at Uber. Fantastic. 5, because I'm a data analyst. Wonderful selection. If you're a data analyst, right, this is the role for you, right? With this, I will move to another quiz, and after that, we'll move to the final section of today's presentation. And that quiz is, let me just pause my screen, will help you determine the gap that you have right now and what you need to fill. Just everyone, give me 2 seconds, right? Now that you know that these are the right product roles for you, what we'll do is a quick assessment to see that to become a world-class product manager, what are the skill set that you need to build? So here's a quick quiz. Can you all take out a pen or paper or open a notepad? Because you will need to do some calculation here to see how much is the gap and what is the gap that you need to fill. Can you please take 10 seconds, bring a pen and paper, or open a notepad and type done in the chat window. Once you have done that, we will do this very, very quickly. Get your pen and paper, open the notepad, type done in the chat window, and then I'll start sharing my screen with you right now. Ready? Type in ready in the chat window if you're ready with this, and let's do this quick analysis. So here's a 15-point scale to see if you have the potential to become a world-class product manager. What we have is each one of these factors have a certain weightage. I want you to give yourself points on each one of these areas. For example, the number 1 is I'm in loop with what's happening in product space in India and globally. Give yourself 1 if you really are totally in sync. If you're 0, if you're 0.5, type in that. If you've been working in strategy and you know how to work with strategy, 5 forces, 5 Ps, and whatever you learn in MBA, etc., and you're working in some kind of strategy consulting, give yourself 3. If you know nothing about strategy, give yourself 0, right? And if you're somewhere in between, give yourself 1 or 2. This is, and keep on typing in your scores in the chat window. Whatever scores you are giving yourself in the chat window, I would love to see. No, give right now point specific. So for the second point, I would love to see, don't add it up right now. For the second point, strategy point, how much have you given yourself? I would love to see 1, 2, or 3. Right? Third is I know tech. I know when to use which tech. I would love to see how many of you, give yourself the point here. Right? If you're a hardcore techie, you know everything, but for everything that there is to know in tech, give yourself 3. If you're at 0, type in 0. If you're somewhere in between like me, I would give myself 1.5, not more than that, right? I'm not a techie. Although I have worked in a tech company, but I'm not a techie. I don't consider myself to be a techie. Next is I love great designs and I've worked on UI, UX, 2 points. Now final is this one, 2 points, 1 point, 0 point. If you have done wireframing, if you have done some kind of prototype and designed this from ground up, give yourself a point on that. Now add this total and then we'll move to the next slide in which we'll continue this analysis, right? Whatever your total is, write it down somewhere and then you'll add it up. Yeah. Okay. Total is this. Now comes here. I'm analytically strong. I have experience of working with data and getting insights. 2 points, 1 point, 0 point. As a product manager, you need to be really, really good with analytics, right? Give yourself 1, 0, and 2. If you have worked with a tool like Power BI, Tableau, some of these tools, if you have done some kind of data extraction, analysis, insights, etc., give yourself whatever score is 0, 1, 2. Yeah. I'm a strong storyteller. I believe as a PM, I can be a strong VOC. Right? Very, very important. I want to give yourself 1, 0, or 2 on this. Let me see what score comes here. 2, 0, 1. Right? And last is, I believe that the future belongs to product companies and I want to be at the forefront of this revolution. Right? 2 points, 1 point. Right? This is so important. Belief can take us a long way. Right? If you know that right now, product companies are taking over the world, right? You would put that effort, you would be in that mental space to enter a product company and to become a product manager, type in the chat window. And now from both the slides, give your total on this. What is your total net score, consolidated score? Type in your total consolidated score in the chat window, right? Do this quick math. I'll give you 10 seconds and then I will show you the final score. Okay, consolidated is 6, 7, I'm seeing 6.5, 10.5, 11, 7.5, 12, 13, 8.5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, right? The total point is 15 points. If you're looking to become a world-class product manager in a world-class product company, the total score is 15 points, right? And wherever you are right now, that is the gap you need to close. Give me a quick yes, everyone, that the gap you need to work upon. If you have understood the point of this quiz, the point is to give you exact points that you need to work upon, the gap you need to work upon to become a world-class product manager in a product company. And if you're looking to work on this gap, if you're looking to pursue product management seriously, what you need to do is work on this gap. With this, I move to the final section of today's presentation, and I would want to know from you how many of you are interested in working on this gap to become a world-class product manager, and how many of you are serious about becoming a world-class product manager who is focused on growth and success of product. Let me know if you're interested. Let me know if you want to get started on this journey. Yesterday, what I had done is not only I had spoken about the 2 programs that we have that will help you become a world-class product manager, but what I also gave is some amazing bonuses that will help you become a world-class product manager. Let me just first of all share what these 2 programs are, and then I'll also give you some amazing bonuses that will make it super amazing. These are webinar exclusive bonuses that will make it super affordable and super amazing for you to start on your journey of product management right now, right? So these 2 programs are one is a CPM program, which is for 3 months. The goal idea about the CPM program is to get you started on product management journey. And the second program that we have is something that most of you would be interested in, is the GCPM program, which is a 6-month program in which all the 5 pillars of product management are covered. Now, what I'll do is I'll quickly take you through the difference between these 2 programs and which one is the right program for you by going to the each one of the terms. So both the terms start on the same day and are taught by the same faculty, and the terms start with term 1, in which the focus is on one thing, which is introducing you to product management. What does a product management manager in a SaaS company do? What does a product manager in a fintech company do? Right? The whole idea is to introduce you to product thinking, product mindset, and to help you do product strategy, product research, and do product road mapping. This is what you'll learn for 1 full month. As I said, first pillar of product strategy, if you can get right, you will be really, really successful as a product manager. The second term is focused on 2 things: engineering for product managers, in which you'll be building PRDs, you'll be writing PRDs. For example, if you go to companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, writing PRDs is so important to being a product manager. If you're working for no-name companies, then PRDs are not important. But this is really, really important in top companies. And this is what you'll be learning in term 2. You'll be learning how to build PRDs. And the second thing that you will be learning is you will be learning how to design mockups, how to build wireframes. You will be learning how to do prototyping, and you will be learning UI UX design from ground up, which colors to use, which colors resonate with what audience. And UI UX, as I said, is so important to the success of a product. You as a product manager need to master it. That's what you will be doing in the second term, which is term 2. Then starts term 3. In term 3, you will be learning how to lead product development, how to do product user test, and most importantly, how to do A/B testing and product operations. Product operations are very, very successful for large companies. For example, let's take a company like Adobe. When Adobe launches a product, it can launch the product in one country, in one geography for a certain segment, right? What are the right ways to actually roll it out internationally, and how do you actually go about communicating that to different departments? That's what you will be learning in product operations. This is the third month, which is term 3. Term 1, product strategy. Term 2, product engineering. Term 3, product development and launch. Term 4 is product analytics, in which you'll be learning how to measure matrices, and how to set the right analytical tools for product managers. This is what you'll be doing in term 4. Term 5 is a very interesting term, in which your focus is going to be on one thing: how to crack product management interviews. As I showed you some time back, you need to work on all the 3 aspects: company, role, and common interview questions. This is what you'll be covering in term 5. And term 6 is a very unique term: work on a capstone product. If you're looking to become a product manager, first thing any company will ask is, have you built a product? Give me a quick yes, everyone, if you're with me on this. No company is just going to ask you questions on strategy or design. The first and the foremost question you will be asked is, have you built a product? In term 6, what you'll be doing is you will be building a product from ground up. So the whole idea is that right from the first term to the second term to the third term, it goes in a step-by-step way to make you a world-class product manager. The 3-month program finishes here till product development and launch, and the 6-month program finishes with a capstone project. I want to know from you, which one of these 2 programs do you think is the right fit for you? The 3-month program, which is called the CPM program, or the 6-month program, which is called the GCPM program? Let me know in the chat window. The 3-month program finishes with a project, mini project, and the 6-month program finishes with a capstone product. Let me know, everyone, in the chat window, out of these 2 programs, which one do you think will help you achieve the goal of becoming a world-class product manager? 6-month program, 3-month program. My recommendation is to absorb everything related to becoming a world-class product manager. You need to at least learn for 5 to 7 months, and the 6-month program, that's why, is the right fit. 3 months might be a little less of a time. It's hardly anything that you're learning, but 6 to 7 months is the time that you need to dedicate. Let me know in the chat window, out of these 2 programs, which one is the right fit for you, right? So both of these programs start on the same day, which is August 15th, which is the next batch that is starting, right? And both the programs are taught with the same faculty. There is no difference in the quality of the faculty. You are taught by the same world-class faculty. The fee for CPM is 89,000. The fee for GCPM is 1.8 lakh. But when you register right now for the August batch, through this webinar exclusive offer, you get to enroll for the August batch at a subsidized fee of just 49,000 for CPM and 89,000 for the GCPM program, right? Let me know if you're interested in registering. If you're interested in registering, right, the link is in the chat window. Go ahead on this link, sign up for the program. Once you have signed up for the program, what you will get is a confirmation email that your seat for the batch is reserved. And the best part is, right now you don't have to pay the full fee. You can register with a registration fee of just 3,000 only, right? Let me know if this sounds great and if this sounds awesome. The whole idea is providing world-class product management education in a short period of time so that you are able to transition into your dream product job. Go ahead, everyone, register yourself. Once you have registered, let me know in the chat window. This is a webinar exclusive offer, and I'll be giving you a couple of these bonuses also. 2 bonuses. 2 other bonuses I've gotten over yesterday. I have just 2 bonuses left. I'll be sharing these bonuses with you in a while. Go ahead, everyone, register yourself. Once you have registered, type in registered in the chat window, and you will get also the confirmation email. Yeah. Okay. Let me take the first set of questions, which is around the batch timings. Yeah. Okay. The batch timings. Deepak writes, Will it be in Hindi? It will be all in English, right? We don't do product management. If you're serious about becoming a product manager, you need to do the program in English, right? That's the basic requirement. Yeah. So the class timings for the August batch, everyone will be this 11 to 12:30. Weekend batch, Saturday and Sunday, the classes take place on both the days, number one. And number two is all the classes are taught live. Just like today's session was an eye-opening session for you, you did live exercises, you did quizzes, you did a lot of interaction and assessment and reflection. Similarly, all the classes are live, 100% live. Our idea is that if we give you recorded classes, you will not learn. The problem with most working professionals is that there are so many things going in our life that we lack the motivation to upskill ourselves. How many of you feel that a lot of time you want to learn something, but when you are trying to do things on your own, right, because of lack of guidance and mentorship, you are not able to go to the next level? Let me know in the chat window, everyone, if you're with me on this. This is the problem with almost all working professionals, right? All working professionals, maintaining motivations is very difficult. If you have someone to push you, if you have someone to motivate you, and if you have someone to guide you, you will get to your objectives many years earlier. Where you would go to like in 7 to 10 years, you can actually go there in 3 to 4 years, right? That's the whole vision about the program, and that's why both the programs are 100% instructor live, and I'll show you the quality of faculty that you will be getting in the program as well, right? Go ahead, register yourself. Once you've registered, everyone, let me know in the chat window. Today's session is going to finish at 12:15 because it's Sunday. I don't want to do the session for long today. 1 hour, 15 minutes, 12:15 the session will end. So make sure that you enroll right away. Yeah. Okay. The first thing is the faculty. Here are the faculty profiles. Our goal is product management is best taught by actual product managers. Whatever your dream companies are, we have gone to those companies and we have brought in faculty from those companies. For example, we have a senior product manager from Microsoft teaching in the program. We have a senior product manager from PayPal teaching in the program. We have a product manager from Google teaching in the program, and we have a senior product manager from Adobe teaching in the program. We have brought in best of the best faculty from the world's most top product companies in the program, and these people will be teaching different terms in the program. Let me know if you love this approach. Let me know if you like the faculty profiles, and let me know if you loved how the program is structured as well, right? Go ahead, everyone, and register yourself. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let me move to the two bonuses. Neelkant, right? What is available in bundle which we discussed yesterday? Yes. So let me just move there. But in the meanwhile, if you have any questions, just keep on posting your questions. I'll try to take your questions in a while, everyone. Let me take the first thing that apart from the subsidized fee, what you are getting is, as part of this masterclass, today is the final day. You're getting two things that you would absolutely love. The first thing that you're getting is, how many of you require job assistance during the program? Let me ask you that once you have learned everything in the program from product strategy to product analytics, the next step for you will be getting a job, a product management job. Is everyone with me on this? That's the whole idea of the program, to produce the product leaders of tomorrow. So our goal is not to just leave you there. Our goal is to take you to the next level. What we have is an exclusive program, one of a kind program in India, India's first job assistance program for budding product managers called PMC. In PMC, the 5 things that you require to get a product manager's job. The first one is that if you want a product manager job, you will need to do the first thing, which is customize your resume for a product manager job. Number 1, you will need to do that. The second thing that you will need to do is you will need to build a product portfolio. That's what you will be getting help in this 30-day program. The third is live PM job analysis. There are, as I showed you, there are 5 kind of product manager jobs today. We will look at these jobs in different companies that different companies post, and we'll do live jobs in this part. Fourth is mock interviews. Since we have faculty and alumni in different companies, you will be getting opportunity to do mock interviews no matter which company is your target company. And fifth is the last point, alumni connect with product managers. If your goal is to become a product manager in a target company, you just have to write to us and we'll connect you to product managers in that company. PMC program is a 1-month program. The fee of this program is 20,000. And when you register right now, you get the PMC program absolutely free of cost. Go ahead, everyone. Register yourself. Once you have registered on this link, pm.inset.co, you don't have to do anything extra. This PMC program, you get complimentary access. Whenever it is conducted once a year. You get to be a part of the PMC program absolutely free of cost without any additional charges, right? Let me know if you love this bonus, and let me know if you like this bonus, right? Give me a quick yes, everyone, if you like this bonus. The whole idea about this bonus is to make it super affordable for you to be able to not only learn product management end to end, but to also transition into a product management field. Yes, so this 3,000 that you are paying, Aditya, this gets deducted from the final fee that you are paying. So it's a registration fee, whatever you are comfortable with, debit card, credit card, etc. If you want to avail this subsidized fee and the bonus, right, you can register. And after this, the admissions team will get in touch with you and you can complete the next steps, right? This is a registration fee, and this also gets deducted from the final fee that you're paying, right? Make sense? Okay, that's the first thing. The second bonus, which is the last bonus for today, and after that, we'll wind up the session, is this. How many of you want to go for the GCPM program? Type in GCPM in the chat window if you want to go for the GCPM program. How many of you want to go for the 6-month program? I believe that everybody would be wanting to do that, right? Let me know in the chat window, everyone. Arijit, right? GCPM, GPCM. No, it is GCPM, Arijit. That's the other way around, right? If your goal is to go for the GCPM program, you will love this. This is an offer that you would want. Our goal is to put super affordable programs to take it to masses. And the way we are doing this is through this free bonus for those of you who are here in the webinar and who are registering right now. When you register for the CPM program, what you get is you get a free upgrade to the GCPM program. Let me know if you love this. Let me know if you like this. What that means is that for the GCPM program, you pay the fee for the CPM program only. This is a webinar exclusive offer, and this is limited to this webinar only. You will not see this offer anywhere, right? The whole idea is that we cannot give this offer to like hundreds of professionals who are enrolling. This is for only those of you who are here in the webinar, right? The way to avail this bonus is go ahead on this link, pm.inset.co. Once you sign up, this free upgrade is applicable to you as well. You don't need to pay any separate fee, right? For the GCPM program, you pay the fee of CPM program. And the good part is this 3,000 also that you are paying gets deducted from the final fee that you are paying. So the final fee that you will be paying will be 46K plus GST, which is super affordable. Let me know if you loved this, and let me know if you like this free upgrade option. Go ahead, everyone. Register yourself. Once you have registered, let me know. Type in done in the chat window. A lot of you are already typing in registered. A lot of you are already typing in done. I would want to welcome each one of you one at a time in a while. Just give me 5 minutes. We will finish the session today a little early, and then I'll start welcoming each one of you, right? Go ahead, everyone. This free upgrade is available to you without any additional cost. For the 6-month program, as I said, you will be learning everything from product management beginning to building a capstone product end to end. This 6-month program right now, as we are in work from home, right? We have enough time on our hands. You don't have to travel anywhere, attend the class on the weekends. And the best part is that you'll get assignment. You'll be part of a LinkedIn community of product managers as well of your particular cohort. The whole idea is to keep on pushing you, to keep on motivating you so that your dream of becoming a product manager in your target product company actually materializes. Go ahead and register yourself. Divyangana writes, registered. Welcome, Divyangana. Glad to see you. Shivam writes, Neelkant writes, Tableau course would be free as part of the bundle. Yes, Tableau course would be free as part of the bundle, right? So when you register right now, Neelkantan, Tableau would be absolutely free of cost. Go ahead and register yourself. The Tableau course is going to be free of cost, no additional cost for Tableau. Shivam writes, yesterday more bonuses were offered. Due to some reason I couldn't register. If I register, will I get all those? Absolutely. Those bonuses would also be applicable. Today, the focus bonuses are these two. But when you register right now, the PM at Scale bonus, as well as the Tableau course, those two courses are also free of cost, no additional charges for that. Make sense? Yeah. Shivam, go ahead and register yourself. Tanushri writes, registered. Welcome, Tanushri, and glad to have you. Now, let me ask one thing that, one help that all of you would need. How many of you have financial constraint? How many of you have financial constraint and would want EMI options? Type in EMI in the chat window or me in the chat window if you need EMI options. All right. So one of the biggest benefit of the program is, unlike most of the programs in which you have to shell out lakhs and lakhs of rupees, what we have is EMI option through which you will be able to register for the program at less than 5,000 rupees per month. Less than 5,000 rupees per month. If you have a credit card, we have credit card EMI option. Even if you don't have a credit card, we have finance partner through which directly you will be able to avail EMI options even if you have net banking or even if you're using something else, right? So the finance option partner is also there. Even if you don't have a credit card, everyone, you will get this EMI option. Let me know if you love this. Even if you don't have a credit card, you will get that. And this EMI option will make it super affordable. Less than 5,000 rupees per month, you will be able to upskill yourself and set yourself on the path of becoming a world-class product manager. Let me know if this is helpful, and I would love to see your feedback. How many of you would want to avail this EMI option? Give me a quick yes if you would want to avail the EMI option. Yeah. Arvind writes, what is the cost of GCPM 6-month program? The cost of the program, everyone, is that it's 89,000, but this is a webinar exclusive offer for those of you who have showed up, who are serious about transitioning. For those of you, this is a free upgrade option. You get to pay only 49,000 plus GST for the 6-month program. Arvind, does that make sense? Yeah. So this is a webinar exclusive upgrade. This will not be available on the website. This will not be available anywhere else. Yeah. Santosh writes, registered and done the full payment. Excited to start learning. Santosh, welcome and glad to have you. Right. I would love to see your profile as well in a while. Okay. With this, I have covered everything that I had to cover today. Everyone, it's 12:09, the last 7 minutes. And after that, we will wind up the session. Go ahead, register yourself. Tanushi writes, can I pay for this using EMI options? Yes, you can pay the fee. Right now, you have paid 3,000. The rest of the fee, 46,000 plus GST, you can pay in EMI options. You can use credit card EMI options. You can use debit card EMI options. If you want help in figuring out the right EMI options for you, Tanushri, you can talk to the admissions team as well, and they'll help you out with the EMI options also. Yeah. Go ahead, everyone. Sign up. Once you have signed up, I can promise you that the feeling that you'd get that finally you have taken action and you have not waited further. A lot of time opportunities we keep on missing in because we are scared. Think about stock market, think about other jobs, think about a lot of other things. We are always scared about taking the leap. The important thing is taking the leap, and education never ever goes waste. If you are here today, wherever you are, in whatever capacity, it is because of the education that you have received. And today's world, if you're not regularly learning and if you're not upskilling, you are falling behind, because the skills that will be required for the next 5 years, and I'm sure your companies keep on saying it all the time, they are very different from the skills that Indian professionals possess today. If you want to be at the forefront of this change, you need to upgrade your skills. Yeah. Shivam writes, which program to select, GCPM or CPM, right? Any program you select, CPM or GCPM, Shivam, it's not a problem. Even if you select CPM, you'll get auto upgraded to GCPM. And even if you select GCPM, you will pay the fee for CPM program. Does that answer your question? Yeah. So no additional, you can select whichever program you would want, but make sure that you do it quickly, right? Because we have the last 4 minutes and then we will wind up the session. Yeah. Now, what I'll do is I have covered this, and I would now open the floor in another 4 to 5 minutes for questions and answers. And let me start taking the question and answers here. Raman Khan writes, save the seat for GCPM. Welcome, Raman, and glad to have you. Brahma writes, already onboarded, going through the program kit, excited to start the classes. Fantastic. Did you register yesterday? And glad to see that you have already started going through the program kit. Girish writes, just registered, looking forward to a life-changing experience. Girish, I'm sure it is going to be. And the best part about the program is the quality of people you'll be meeting. In the August cohort, for example, which you'll be joining, there are people from all the IIMs. You have people from IIM Lucknow, IIM Kozhikode, IIM Indore. There are people from IITs. There are people from ISBs. There are people from every top school that you can think of. And I would want to know from you all here, how many of you are already from IIMs or IITs, etc. Let's say whichever IIM you are from, let me know, because the whole idea about the program is this itself, to bring in world-class professionals in the program, and these bonuses will help you do that. Ramana says from IIT, and that's what I said, that almost in the program, in the August cohort, the interesting thing is that if you want to become a product manager, what you will need is a network. Is everyone with me on this? You will need a world-class network, and in the August cohort itself, in the batch, you will have 30 to 40 product managers already. These are product managers in your target companies. We have people from Amazon, people from Flipkart. Yesterday itself, you would have seen 2 people from Flipkart registered. Whichever is your target company, we'll have people in those companies as well. Registered Arjit Said, welcome Arjit, and glad to have you. Yeah. Now, let me take a couple of questions that I could not cover yesterday, and I got a couple of emails post the sessions on that. One is the first question I think I missed, that which tools will we be covering in the program, right? One of the ways in which you will actually enjoy the program and learn a lot is by using PM tools. How many of you love working with tools? Tools, I believe, is a super amazing way to structure your thoughts. It's a great way of structuring your thoughts, number one, and putting something in front of people. One of the great parts about this PM program is it is not a theoretical program. You can learn theory from anywhere. It is a practical, in-depth program, and what you will be learning in the program is multiple tools. For example, how do you do product road mapping? You will be learning this. You will be learning this through Product Plan. We will be giving you a tool called Product Plan. This is one of the most widely used tools. How do you use analytics? You will be using Optimizely for A/B testing. How do you do wireframing? You will be actually doing wireframing through a tool called Figma. How many of you have actually used Figma? Our goal here is that we don't want to just keep on teaching you product management. we want you to do product management. Product management is best done by doing, and this program is that only. This is PM by doing course that you will actually get your hands dirty, right? This is what is going to happen in all the classes. You will actually be doing all of these things in the program, right? Let me know if you are clear, everyone, and if this has excited you. The number of tools that you will be learning, will keep you excited, and all the tools are a discovery in themselves. You will love working with these product management tools as you go through the program, right? And the confidence that you will gain once you are able to do these tools. And honestly, if you're working in small product companies, these tools are not required. Is everyone with me on this? If you're working in small product companies, it's not required. But if you're working in large tech companies like Microsoft, like Google, like Facebook, these tools are required. These tools is how you'll be operating. Can I get a quick yes, everyone? If you're with me on this part, that these tools are not required in small companies, these tools are required in top product companies, right? You will need to work with GS. Jira will be taught in the program as well. We'll be using Jira also. That's one. The second thing that you will be learning in the program, and that makes the program very unique and one of its kind, is that what we realize is that what Indian product managers do not know is that frameworks that are used by product managers globally. And what you will be doing in the program is, apart from learning all of this thing from ground up, what you'll also be doing is you'll be learning PM frameworks. For example, you will be learning frameworks like Moscow. How many of us have heard Moscow, right? Yes, no, right? Let me know. Moscow is so important to product prioritization. Moscow is so important to product decision. Let me just show you the magic of Moscow. Does it look like a fancy term? Does it look like one of those terms that buzzwords? Absolutely yes. But let's look at the meaning of Moscow. Moscow stands for must have. Let's look at Moscow. Must have, should have, could have, and would have. Do you guys think that this framework is going to be helpful for you as a product manager? What do you guys think? In terms of feature, these are the must-have features your product needs to have. These are the should-have features your product needs to have. These are could-have, and these are the would-have product features that your product needs to have. We'll be teaching you these product management frameworks from ground up, and this is one of the best part of the program, that not only you're learning tools, but you are also learning PM frameworks as well, right? Let me know if you love this approach as well, everyone. The whole idea is frameworks can give you a structured way of thinking. And if you're wanting to become a world-class product manager, you need to know these frameworks. Yeah, go ahead, everyone, register yourself. We have exceeded the time and it's time to wind up the session. Last 2 minutes. How many of you are in the process of registering, and we will close the session? Let me know if you are in the process of registering. Type in registering in the chat window. Otherwise, I'm going to wind up the session immediately in the next 2 minutes. This offer is a webinar exclusive offer, right? And this offer is exclusive for those of you who showed up, who were there till the end. And this is our way of saying thank you to each one of you for attending this 2-day masterclass and for making it so attractive, so that you are able to start on your journey in the easiest, fastest, and the shortest possible way, right? Go ahead, everyone. Dipankar says, registered. I have 10 years of experience in building products as well. Dipankar, the interesting thing is that what you'd be surprised by is that there are product managers from Google also enrolled in the program, right? Are you with me? That product management is a field where we have seen a product manager from Amazon enrolled in the program as well, in the June cohort, in July cohort as well, right? The whole idea is product management is about product mindset and product thinking. right? This is what we want you to learn in the program. And the interesting thing is that these things are not even taught in top-rated MBA programs. Even if you go to IIMs, ISBs, or even Harvard School, you will not see any product management program there. You have to learn it the hard way. Yeah. Go ahead, everyone, register yourself. 1 minute, time is up, 12:20. Let's finish the session now. I hope all of you have registered, and time to start the introduction. So all of you who have registered, everyone, the biggest benefit that you will get is access to our community, access to our network, access to a super motivated bunch of people that you'll be part of. Let me know, all of you who have registered today, I would want you to introduce yourself in the chat window. Those of you who have registered today, with registered, your name, your company, and your designation. I would love to welcome each one of you who have registered today, and then we will finish the session at 12:30. Next 10 minutes, quickly, I would want all of your intros, and you would be able to see live the quality of professionals joining with you, and whatever company you can think of, you will see in August 15th cohort people from those companies, and that's a huge way to build your network, right? Let me start welcoming Santosh, QA team lead. Welcome, Santosh, and glad to have you. Registered Vijay Reddy, UX architect, Bosch. Vijay, I'm sure because you work as a UX designer, everybody would want you in the Capstone product, because in Capstone product, Vijay, what we usually face the challenge is that everybody loves designing strategy, etc. But where people need help is UX designer, and I think everybody would love to have you in their team, right? And glad to have you, given that the fact that you are a UX designer. Yeah. Next is registered Girish, product specialist at branch.io. Welcome. Arijit writes, senior system analyst at MasterCard. Welcome, Arijit, and glad to have you. We have people from Visa, MasterCard, and a lot of these companies as well. Shivam writes, senior consultant at PwC. Shivam, the right role for you, I would recommend, is if you can look at product consultant role. Do you know this designation? Right, Shivam? If you're working in consulting, I did not cover those 5 roles some time back, right? Product consultant, but this is a role that you should definitely look at. Product consultant in consulting companies, Shivam. All the top companies today are looking for how we can launch new products. And if you can build some expertise in product consulting, that will take you places. Yeah. Varun writes, registered Varun Maheshwari, working with Facebook on the product partnership org. Excited to be on board. Welcome. And this is a dream company that Varun, you are working with. Everybody wants to work with the company that you are working with. And are you working with Facebook India? And glad to have you. And so excited to see that in the August cohort, we would have someone from Facebook. We have people from Google, Microsoft, Amazon, but Facebook in the August cohort, you are the first one to join, and welcome. Next is Dipankar writes, working as a service delivery leader. Welcome, Dipankar. Which company do you work with? Right? Let me know. Yeah. Santosh writes, FIS Global. Is it different from Pfizer? Is it? I'm usually more attuned to the big companies in terms of product management. I'm not sure. FIS Global, is it a large MNC? Yeah. Fidelity. Okay. Sorry. Fidelity Information System, and welcome and glad to have you, right? So excited to see each one of you, everyone. Thank you for attending this 2-day masterclass. Let me know if you enjoyed this masterclass. My goal was that to help you see that products are great, products are changing the world. I hope through yesterday's session and through today's session, you would not only have gotten insights into how to become a product manager, but more importantly, it would have motivated you to take action. It would have motivated you to learn. It would have motivated to upskill yourself, because in these pandemic times, you cannot trust any organization to keep you forever. You need to learn. You need to find your path. You need to constantly reinvent and reimagine your profile. I hope all of you will take that learning from today's session. I hope all of you found these two sessions, yesterday's and today's, exciting. Give me a quick feedback, everyone, and then we will wind up the session. I would love to see if you found the session exciting and if you loved the quizzes today. What I try to do today is through B2B, through B2C, I try to help you that if you get the right guidance and right mentorship, your effort, you are already talented. You don't need us. What you need us is that to show you the right path, right? And our goal is to help you see the right path so that you are able to start on the journey of your dreams, right? Thank you everyone for being so patient and loved seeing the energy, and I hope all of you would make India proud and build these products out of India. That India right now is going from that journey from services to product management. And I hope you will you'll be at the forefront of this journey. All of you who have registered today, here are the next steps. Sorry, I forgot mentioning this. July 25th is today. You will get, after you're done with the session, contact the admissions team, right? Number one, you would have gotten an email with the next steps to complete the profiles. After this, you will complete the PM Starter Kit. PM Starter Kit, you will get immediate access today. Do not wait till the last date you get, because only 2-3 weeks are left. And then you will start your journey on August 15th. August 15th is when the program starts, right? Raman writes, it was great, Manvinder. You explained everything systematically. Thank you. That's what our job, Raman, is. And I hope it would have given you a lot of clarity, Raman. Yeah. Divya writes, haven't received the next step email. Have you entered the right email, Divya? You should have gotten the email. Can you check your inbox, promotions, etc.? In case you have not received the email, talk to Amrit. Ariba is on leave today. Talk to Amrit in the admissions team. All of you, can you take down the coordinates of the admissions team? Here is the coordinates of the admissions team. These are the people you will be speaking with post the webinar, right? And I hope whatever questions regarding EMIs, next steps, fee payment, etc., that you would need, you would get clarity from the admissions team, right? Arpita, thank you so much, Manav. Everything has been crystal clear in the right direction. Glad to see, Arpita. But what I would want is this motivation should remain for the next 1 year. As the whole idea is, Arpita, for you to enroll is to learn. And I hope you're motivated about learning. Glad to see you. Santosh, best session attended so far. Thank you, Manav, for the wonderful session. Thank you, Santosh. I could make these sessions so insightful because all of you are listening very carefully. A speaker is as good as the audience that they are listening to. And my approach always is that a lot of experts try to showcase their knowledge. I am not trying to showcase more knowledge. I just try to keep things simple. As long as things are simple, people connect, and that's the reason they love these sessions that I do. Yeah. Avnesha writes, I have a feeling that this certification is going to change my life in a huge way on a positive note. Absolutely, Avnesha. Think of this fresh beginnings for your career, right? Usually what happens is post our MBA education, post our engineering college, we don't decide our careers. We are just thrown in. Whatever jobs we get, we start working there, etc. But we don't consciously decide that this is what I want to be. I hope post this program, you get that confidence to move into your dream target role, right? Make sense? Prachi writes, I didn't receive the next step email. You would get the email, even if you guys have not received the email, everyone, because a lot of people are registering. Sometimes the system takes a little bit of time triggering those emails. You will get the email in a while. With this, it's 12:30. Time to wind up the session. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless you. Have a wonderful week ahead and stay motivated, stay hungry for success, and stay hungry for making India a product first nation. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.